Everyone, quick question. Have you ever seen a house listing that says as is and thought, great, does this mean I should bring in a hazmat suit? Not quite. Not all as-is properties are complete train wrecks, but there are some important things that you need to know. So today we're going to be breaking down what as-is really means in real estate in plain English with no legal mumble jumble. Now, before we go diving into this here, as always, thank you for supporting the channel and watching today's 2-Minute Tuesday. If you enjoy these quick breakdowns, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out any future tips. So, let's jump in. What exactly does as is really mean? Now, when a home is sold as is, it basically means the seller is offering the property in current condition. Yet they're not agreeing to make repairs or improve before closing. Think of this as like buying a used car. You're getting it with all the dings, the dents, and the scratches, but here's where buyers sometimes get confused, and one of the most common questions that we see relating this topic. As is does not mean that you can't inspect the home. You can, and you absolutely should. An inspection will tell you if the roof leaks, if the furnace is on its last leg, or if there's a surprise family of raccoons making a home out of your attic. The difference is the seller isn't obligated to fix those things. If the issues are too big, you as the buyer can usually walk away depending upon how your contract is written. Now here's a good example. Imagine you fall in love with a house that's listed as is. Now, after the inspection, you find out that the water heater is shot. Now, the seller might say, well, that's your problem if you want the house. Now, at this point, you can either accept, negotiate on price, or decide to move on. Now, before you assume as-is homes are always scary, sometimes they're not. Sometimes sellers just don't want to deal with the small fixes. Or maybe it's an estate sale where the heirs simply want to sell the house quickly. So a as-is doesn't always mean a property is falling apart. Here are the takeaways with all this. If you see a as-is, don't panic. Just make sure you get an inspection so you know what you're buying. And that leads me to the final point. There's no substitute for expert advice on this one. If you're considering a as-in property, have a conversation with your realtor. I mean, after all, a real estate professional is there to protect you in your investment. And of course, if you have questions right now, drop them in the comments down below and let's talk about it. And friends, that is gonna wrap up this video here. Thanks as always for supporting the channel on this 2-Minute Tuesday. If you found this helpful, again, consider hitting that like button down below and subscribe for more real estate insights made simple. With that said, I will see you in the next video.